Yo, what's up, bros and broettes?
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
Yesterday I actually started trying to fix the cracks and stuff that I put in the dash from when I, well, not cracks, but holes I put in the dash, and some cracks that I put in the dash when I was in the process of trying to staple down the leather, when I was trying to get it to stay down so the glue could dry and hold it. So I did put some holes in there. I, used my Dremel and sanded them out some more. So here's the holes and stuff. As you can see, holes and stuff like that. But I bought Bondo, the short hair glass kinds. I got it on there. Obviously, this is just the first layer of it. I need to sand it down smooth and then, go back over the spots that I wasn't able to hit or didn't fill it in completely. Like right there and stuff like this. I'm going back over these. And, some over there. Nothing, too serious. Just fixing the dash. I have the flock. It actually is coming in. I don't have it yet, but it's already ordered. It's actually being delivered today. So I am going to go ahead and finish this dash on Saturday. So there's a lot of things that's going to be happening on Saturday. The dash comes in on the flock. The dash is going to get flocked on Saturday. The engine is going in Regina on Saturday. And what else? What else? And I'm going to pull apart and I'm going to go get the a rear differential out of an Infiniti J30 and I think it's the low pressure, the big AC line that comes out the firewall. I'm getting that off of the Infiniti J30 too. That way I can have AC, and you'll see how I make that work. So that'll be later on down the line, but I'm getting those things from Pull Apart on Saturday. Today is actually Thursday, so 2 days. This video will probably come out tomorrow because I have another video in front of this one that's coming out today. So today's Thursday and I have a video that's coming out today. This will come out tomorrow. Yeah. So with that said, until Saturday when I finish this dash. So I'll continue working on this today and tomorrow. And then Saturday I will show you guys what it looks like before I flock it, and then I'll show you guys the process of me flocking it and what it looks like when it's all done. So that should be awesome. So until Saturday. Yeah, this video won't come out tomorrow. It'll come out Saturday. Or maybe Sunday. Probably Sunday, because I'm going to let it dry on Saturday and then take pictures of it and finish the video on Sunday. Yeah, now I'm just yammering. So until Saturday. Yeah. Yo, back again, bros. It is broettes. It is Saturday. Just got done flocking the dash. There's a few spots that I can get the adhesive on well enough, so I'll have to go and touch those spots back up. But it actually turned out really well so far. I can't tell until after I wipe off the excess to see exactly how well it went on, but looks like it looks good right now. As you can see, you can't tell where I had the damage yet, or I mean the cracks and all the holes and stuff that were filled. But if you can see right here, I didn't get the adhesive on. I guess I missed it, or it dried before I was able to get that. So there's a few spots right there, a little spot right here, little spot right here on the corner, which I missed, I'm guessing with the adhesive. Where else? Looks like a little bit right there, and a little bit, actually I'm not really too worried about that because that will be covered by the piece right here, and a little bit right here. So other than that, oh, and on this corner too, it looks like I missed both corners. But other than that, it turned out really good. Like I said, I'm gonna let this cure for the whole day, and then I'll touch up those two spots. But that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I flocked my dash, I fixed it. It looks great to me so far. well, I'll come back with a follow-up video on how that turned out. But this video I think has gone on long enough, and I don't want to just draw it out. So with that said, I'm going to end this video now. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, guys, because man, does it go a long ways. So until next time, peace out and never look back.